Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Microsoft 365 on Windows step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your Windows device. Type Microsoft 365 subscription into the search bar and hit enter. Locate the official Microsoft 365 website from the search results. Click on the link to the Microsoft 365 homepage. Once on the page, look for the pricing tab on the top menu. Hover over the tab to reveal different subscription options. Choose the plan that best suits your needs. Click on the Buy Now or Try Free button for your chosen plan. You will be redirected to a sign-in page. If you already have a Microsoft account, enter your email and password. If you do not have an account, click on Create One to set up a new account. Follow the prompts to create your new Microsoft account. Once signed in, review your selected plan details. Click on the Checkout button to proceed. Enter your payment information as required. Double-check your billing details for accuracy. Follow any further on-screen instructions to begin using Microsoft 365. Once complete, check your email for a confirmation message from Microsoft. You are now ready to start using Microsoft 365 on your Windows device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.